Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to change the font size of plot labels in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like your font size of your labels of your plot to be larger or smaller than the default matplotlib size. So I'll be showing you how to change the font size of plot labels in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. As you can see, I already have my plot over here, and I've just plotted these two data sets, and I have a title. I don't have any labels yet for my plot, so let's do that, and that's what we'll be changing. And we'll do the same for the Y. Great, so now I'm just going to run this, and as you can see, I have my two labels. They are quite small when compared to like the actual plot title, because I have increased the size of the plot title. So let's change these, the font size of the labels. So inside the X label line, what you're going to do is after your label, you're going to put a comma, and you're going to say font size, and you're going to put the font size that you want. So let's go with 15, and then I'll do the same for the Y label. Great, so now if I run this, as you can see, my labels for my X and Y axes have increased to be what I want. And that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to change the font size of plot labels in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.